Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I am sitting at a very special house at 62 Brook Road in Enfield, Connecticut. It is a one-owner home that's never been for sale before. Come on in and take a look around. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, 1-car garage. Adorable cape, offers hardwood floors, a newer architectural roof, a young heating system, a huge eating kitchen and living room. It is really a special home. This is an adorable cape with 4 bedrooms. It has so much space to spread out in. 1.5 bathrooms. Beautiful large eating kitchen. It is fully applianced. It's great for cooking and having extended family in. Spread out in family room that does have heat. It has a really big sunroom, really nice size one. You can spread out onto the 3-season porch as well. So this 3-season porch leads to a patio, and it's a very nice level lot, which would be great for your children to play in or for your family to expand and enjoy. And this is in a really nice neighborhood that offers gas heat, so the whole neighborhood has gas. And it backs up to a brook. We're at 62 Brook Road. It's Buck Brook, actually. That's the name of the brook that's here. Some nice features include vinyl siding. They put some new spigots on the front and back of the house that are frost-free. This is a really nice home with a little bit of updating. You really can make this home your own. If you'd like to have a private showing of this home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. This house really has it all. It's adorable.